Elsewhere, Kenya Power plans to spend 10 billion shillings in the next financial year to strengthen and expand the electricity distribution network. Kenya Power Managing Director Dr. Joseph Siror says the investment will align its goal of diversifying its offering to customers, including the e-mobility in efforts to improve quality and reliability of electricity supply.
The point of contention in this country in rolling out electric vehicles is the issue of infrastructure, but players are now coming together to say that that is no longer an issue. According to Kenya Power, its customer base has grown from 2.7 million customers a decade ago to the current 9 million customers. Kenya Power is positioning itself to tap customers in new areas such as e-mobility.
We are definitely going to have a conversation in this space because that is a space that we may really want to know the dynamics. So we have a team that is going to engage with the public to get to know where their pain areas are and where possibly they may want to have that particular support.
1-0.
Speaking during the launch of Basigo's third public electric bus charging station, Dr. Siror said the power utility firm's strategic grid investments will provide sufficient capacity for the anticipated increase in electricity demand from areas such as e-mobility and clean cooking.
In support of what Basigo is doing, we are keen and we are really investing a lot of resources to revamp our network and to work closely with them, so that in whichever points they require charging stations, we actually provide that.
Electricity that we are generating right here in the country, which we can ultimately purchase in shillings, I think that's critically important. And what we've proven here today is that we are fully capable of developing the infrastructure between Kenya Power, companies like Basigo. We're fully capable of developing the infrastructure to support an all-electric BRT, and I hope that's the direction the country ultimately takes.
Basigo, which currently has charging stations in Buruburu, Embakasi and Kikuyu in the Nairobi metropolitan area, plans to open up its charging stations to the public later this year.
Kenya Power will assure us having power throughout, meaning we shall not go 20 kilometers to go and charge.
In the next 1 year, we are hoping to have 16 stations like this spread across Nairobi. The most important thing is these stations must be located along the Matatu operating routes.
If we realize that the capacity in any of the places where this infrastructure is required is inadequate, that definitely takes precedence, and we are going to provide whatever is necessary.
Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.